Hi, everyone. This is Google Drive. We're going to do a quick overview just to kind of tell you what you're looking at and how to utilize everything. Along the left-hand side here, you'll see a variety of different tabs, including My Drive. If you have any shared drives, they'll probably pop up as we continue to use this. And a couple other things that we'll go through in a little bit here. Your Google Drive is basically just a file folder, just like on a computer, but this one is available anywhere you get the internet. And it's got a lot of really awesome sharing capabilities, so we want to kind of cover those as well. So let's do a quick one here. In the top left corner, you should see UHSD and your photo. You have the ability to change your photo, go into your profile. It's probably a smart idea. You also see the waffle. There's a lot of videos on the waffle. This just gives you access to all of the different tools we can use within the G Drive or the G Suite. We're not going to go over that on this video either. Settings. For the most part, your settings should be set, but if you want to look at it, you do have access to some minor changes here, including like density. So you might prefer one of these looks. It'll condense the folders or not in terms of the way you see them. There's also an offline feature if you really need to see these documents on a device when you don't have internet. For the most part, I haven't found it to be that necessary, but there's probably a time and place for it. Additionally, you can look through here. You'll see notifications and apps. We do have a variety of apps that will naturally kick into Google Drive, but feel free to look throughout the entire Google store, and if there's something that works, let us know. So obviously a support tab. This is where we're starting to get into it. Search Drive. So if you have a bunch of different folders or different files, you can click through here and search through all of your documents in your entire drive. Pretty easy. Nothing really much more to say about that. It's a fast and painless way to find any document that you're looking for. If you want to start building your Google Drive, probably the first way to start here is hitting New and adding a folder. It's as simple as titling the folder, and you'll see it populate right here. I know that there's a variety of people that prefer this view, but if you're more of the grid view, you can use this one too. It'll put all your folders on top and your files below. Just a preference. Moving items throughout your Google Drive is pretty straightforward. You can either drag and drop them, or you can right click and utilize all of these features here. Anything from open with a certain program to share with somebody to move to if you want to move it a couple steps away. Most of those are exactly what the name says. Pretty straightforward. A couple other things that make this pretty awesome to use is if you are in this and you want to start a new Google Doc, it's easy. Just clicking right there. It will put the Google Doc that you just created in the folder or in the folder that you're in right now. So as we title this, and we close it out, you should see it right here in a moment. So then we have the ability to organize those however you see fit. You do have quick access to Google Docs, Google Sheets, which is a lot like Excel, and Google Slides, which is a lot like PowerPoint. You do also have access to Google Forms and Drawings and all these other things. You can also connect more apps throughout the App Store. Bunch of great tools, a lot of possibilities. Really, Google Drive just comes down to a place for you to organize all of your folders and your files. You should see a couple folders. I know that there's another video that talks about the migration. You can look more into that. If you're looking to add something to your Google Drive, there's a couple different ways. You can either do a file upload or a folder upload if you're doing a larger amount of data. If you're pulling something off the internet, it's as simple as you can find an image, save the image, and as it saves, you can also drag and drop into it. That's also a pretty easy way to upload to Google Drive. Beyond that, I think if there's any questions, please feel free to share them with us, and we can cover those in another video. Thanks.